How to log in Barclays Online Banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Barclays is a British multinational investment bank and the financial service company. It is headquartered in London. Apart from investment banking, Barclays is organized into 4 core businesses that includes personal banking, corporate banking, wealth management, and investment management. To log into Barclays online banking account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.barclays.co.uk. You will be led to the official webpage of Barclays. Here on the top dashboard, you will see the login button. Tap on that. You will be provided with various methods of logging in. You can log in with your membership number, your card number, or your sort code and account number. In order to log in with your membership number, enter your last name and your membership number. If you want the device to remember your login details for future purpose, then you can select the Remember Me checkbox you see there, which also implies for card number and sort code and account number too. And now tap on Continue. In order to log in with your card number, enter your last name and your card number and tap on Continue. In order to log in with sort code and account number, enter your last name, sort code, and account number and tap on Continue. And this is how you can log in to Barclays online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.